Hey everyone! In this video, you'll launch your very first virtual server on AWS using EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud. By the end, you'll have a Linux machine running in the cloud that you can SSH into from your laptop. Let's jump right in. I'm logged in to the AWS console. I'll type EC2 in the search bar and open the dashboard. You can see the overview, running instances, volumes, security groups. Click Launch Instance. First, I'll name it my first instance. For the AMI, Amazon Machine Image, I'll pick Amazon Linux 2023. It's free tier eligible and well supported. Instance type, T3.micro gives us 2 vCPU and 1 GB RAM. The key pair is how you'll authenticate via SSH, Secure Shell. Click Create New Key Pair, give it a name, download the PEM file and keep it safe. For security groups, I'll allow SSH on port 22, only from my IP address. Never leave SSH open to 0.0.0.0/0 in production. Click Launch Instance. It takes about 30 seconds to start. Now I'll copy the public IP address, open PowerShell, and connect using SSH with my PEM key file. In PowerShell, I'll run SSH -i my key file name EC2-user at the public IP address. And look, we're connected. You can see the Amazon Linux prompt right here. Super important. Always terminate your instance when you're done learning to avoid any charges. Select the instance, go to Instance State, click Terminate. After a few seconds, instance will be terminated. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.